What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. Only this is gonna be the final video for this year, and what a year it's been, guys. I can't even begin to explain how grateful I am to have you here as an audience, because without you, without all of you legends out there supporting me and the channel, all of this wouldn't be possible, of course. And with your amazing help and support, we finally passed this huge milestone this year. We hit 100,000 subscribers, and of course it's all thanks to you guys, and I want you to know how proud I am of our community and how much I love and appreciate you. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart, and now we should get back to the video, I believe, because that's why we are here. So here we go, let's dive into this. Oh, please tell me it's not gonna happen what I think it's gonna happen. Oh, ooh, close, but let's see here. Oh, that hurts. Somebody's gonna be real pissed. Somebody's gonna be mad. Definitely. Oh, what is going on here? Is this an ambush? Oh, it's okay, it's just a witness protection program. Our dude went undercover. When cleaning off the snow is too easy solution, we don't do that here. Or maybe he's hiding from his wife, who knows. Whoa, take it easy, bro. I've seen many things, but a car fighting with a bush, that's a first. Definitely. Who will win? Place your bets. I think the car stands no chance. Power! I see we are spicing things up today with a little bit of flame. That was a good one. Oh, I hear angry engine noises. And his name is John Cena. I don't know what the hell was that, and I don't even want to know. Damn. Let's see here. Whoa, this is what happens when you type the wrong cheat in GTA. But now seriously, they need to reinforce that guardrail, because this is not acceptable. It's crazy, man. Oh, hell no. Watch out, bro. Watch out. No. Ooh, whoa. That was a little bit too close. And now he's gonna be like, yeah, I meant to do that. I timed it perfectly. Come on, man, that's evil right there. That poor Mustang was probably having some troubles with the roof, and you had to spice things up. Oh, what the hell is that? But yeah, that Mustang was innocent. He did not deserve that. Whoa! That's an angry neighbor, I presume. He probably had enough. Or maybe not, I don't know for sure, but it certainly looks like that. But anyways, we are moving on. Oh, this one's easy. Someone's gonna blow a red. Whoa! Bro's on his way to hit the 88 miles per hour. He's going back. He had enough of the present. Whoa. What the hell is wrong with people? It's way too easy to get a license these days, I'll tell you that. Them, drive like your kids are living here. Me, check this out, kids. Watch this. Who is the coolest dad ever? And the way he goes. That was kinda cool, but it's not recommended. Oh wow, this person is definitely lacking something more than a wheel. Oh. She even looks like the person who would do something like this. If you ever wondered why aliens don't want to visit us, this is the reason why. Oh my god, she's even like, yeah, it's all good, just go. And here goes her brother. Oh my god, what is this? Driving without a wheel day? Or the tow trucks are that expensive? Oh. Oops. It was just a love tap, so nothing big. Right, back to the carpets.
That's not safe. That's not safe.
What is this?
Well overloaded. And that tire's half full.
Oh my god, look at this dude. Are you sure that's enough? Is that all you can carry?
Yep.
Because it looks like you could add up some more up there. That's what happens when you want to carry all the bags for the market. Oh, that's trouble. No! I'm not entirely sure, but I think he didn't get on the power. I think he only aquaplaned, so we're not gonna be too harsh this time. Oh, would you look at that? Though the season is coming to an end, everyone's happy. Look at this guy. I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. That's actually amazing drift. That is so clean and smooth. Look at that. Beautiful. Glad they're having fun. Slow down, boys. Slow down. Oh! A wise man once said, speed cannot hurt you. Suddenly getting stopped, that's what gets you. And I agree, so on to the next one we go. That's an MX-5, the newer one, I think. Whoa, 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 chill, bro. Take it easy. Oh, here's another one. Oof. The best parking ever. Simply lovely. Oh my god. I'm not even surprised. Of course it's a BMW, so I'm just gonna move on. The party is lit over there, I see. What is with the donuts and pickup trucks? Come on, power! Oh, we have people joining in. Nice. Habibi, everything's legal if police not there. Oh, we're gonna have some more donuts, I guess. They're like those street performers, you know. While you're waiting at a red light, you get to see the show. And some say they're still doing donuts. So we're just gonna move on. Let's see here. Oh, hello there, Mustang. Long time no see. Oh, I see you missed us too. That guy's rude. Oh, what's this button for? Strange, nothing happened. And why do my truck feel lighter all of a sudden? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Welcome to the Winter Olympics, guys. So brace yourselves, there are a lot of dingleberries out there. Let's see here. Oh, this is scary, this is scary, no! Whew, that guy was lucky. I expected a huge kaboom, you know? But only the sign got messed up, so it's not that bad.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa, minivan, what the
Oh.
hell was that?
God
Come on, man,
dang.
that's unacceptable. You cannot be that distracted. It's... some people are... I don't even know, man. And that guy's like, I'm speed, baby! Oh, crap, 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 oh, I'm not anymore. Some people think they're good at driving just because they're driving fast, but in reality, the good driver knows when to brake.
They're doing pretty good though.
Simple as that. Meanwhile, in 2031, what is that yellow car over there? Hey, bre, konyu.
Okay, I got it.
Translation, he's a horse. But anyways, what was that yellow car, guys? Let me know in the comments. Ooh. Suspension's gone, and it took a wheel with it. 100%, there's no way the wheel survived. Oh, would you look at that? Another case of I can carry all the bags from the car to the house. In one go. Oh, that went very well, I see.
Oh no, what is that?
Well, at least you could have just tied it a little bit better. But we're not complaining. That was very amusing indeed. Oh, a little bit of a drifting action. No, stop! Oof. That's why you need to be careful, guys. Keep your distance and drive slowly. When it's all frozen out there, you never know. And look at this dingleberry. There was even a school bus. Unbelievable. That guy's like, ha! You're too slow, suckers! Oh, crap! That's how you get a pole position in winter. In case you didn't know. Let's see here. Looks like a parking wars to me. Let's see who's gonna pull the 900 IQ play. Looks like it's gonna be the Audi. Yup. Wow, we are impressed. He or she is like, this is a good space, but I need a better one. So let me just reverse real quick to see if there is another one which I can use. Let me check this one. Maybe this one. Nah, it's too dirty. Let's go back a little bit more and see if that one is good. Oh, it looks great. It's perfect. I'll take that. And after a short break, we are finally back to Winter Olympics. Welcome back, everybody. This event is called Sliding Dingleberries. The rules are simple. Which dingleberry is gonna go further down the road?
Nice BMW.
And it looks like the BMW is going for the win by doing this sick 180.
no.
But will it be enough? I guess we'll find out in a moment. And... oh, that's a foul. You're out. You're disqualified. Oh. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I think there's a better way of doing this, but this looks like more fun, so we're gonna go with this one. Let's see here. Oh, there's another one. Holiness sometimes acceptable, but in this case there are too many people around, so I do not approve. Let's see here.
Okay.
What the hell is that? What? Never let them know your next move. Oh. Yeah, take care of your cigarette. Make sure it's okay. Who gives a damn about the crash? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Let's see. Oh. Well. Honey, we need a new mailbox. Oh, that doesn't sound good. That car is no bueno. But anyways, on to the next one. Oh, 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 oh. Because weight reduction, bro. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and what to say, guys, other than this was an incredible year. It was a pleasure making these videos for you, and thank you for sending me incredible videos as well. We've seen so many dingleberries, so many pole positions, and many more power moments. So yeah, thank you all for this unforgettable year. I hope the next one is gonna be even better. I wish you all the best, and I wish all of your dreams and wishes to come true in 2023. And also I wish you a lot of success and happiness in a year ahead of us. So cheers, guys, to the all amazing things that's gonna come in 2023 for all of us, of course. Please spend some quality times with your friends and family. Don't forget to power every day, because Santa will find out and you know what's next. So that's it for this year and for this video. I love you all. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.